Hi, boys and girls. Time for phonics again. Let's warm up our brains today. Oh, let's see. It's Tuesday. Let's try to switch some sounds in the beginning of words. Okay? Say the word must. What would that word be if it were to start with j? Just. What would the word time be? Time. If it were to start with l. Lime. Oh, what would Mike be if it were to start with ooh? Like. You got it. And what would the word five be if it were to start with hive? You got it. What would the word fast be? Fast. If it started with p. Past. You got it. And our last one, the word kelp, which is another name for like seaweed, kelp, if it were to start with help. Good job, my friends. Well, I know this school week has been short, but we've been working on Tricky Y, the robber guy. He steals the sounds of E and I. And look at this one's got a little rip on the top, so part of his head is missing. All of the words that we're going to practice writing today are going to end in Y. So remember the Y. And what I'm going to do on my whiteboard is I'm going to put a little Y down here at the end for you to remember that these words will be ending in Y because he has stolen our I sound. He has stolen that and replaced it with Y. So I'm going to put a circle around Y because that's the one that is in his bag. Now, the words that we're going to be focusing on today are the words that have the Y instead of the I sound. So it won't be the E, just the I. You can use your whiteboard if you have it. This one, I have a nice little skinny one, but you can use your math board if you want. You could use a piece of notebook paper. But what we're going to do is I'm going to say a word. You try to write it, and then we'll see if you and I match. Okay? Here's our first one. This one only has 2 letters. By. When I went for a walk today, I walked by a blue house. By. If you spelt it B-Y, good job. By. Okay? The next one, oh my goodness, you guys are pros at this one because it's a sight word. My. My. Still 2 letters. 2 letters. My. M-Y. My. That one should have been easy for you. Well, how about this one? Fly. I would like to fly to Hawaii someday. This word, 3 letters. Fly. If you did F-L-Y, you're on a roll. Fly. Oh, this one I hope nobody does. Cry. Still 3 letters. K-R-I. K-R-I. You take your best guess if that's a K or a C. Cry. Because they both make K. Cry. 3 letters. C-R-Y. Cry. I will cry because Tricky Y, the robber guy, has stole my eye. That would make me cry. Okay, the next one is try. We always try to do our best. Try has 3 letters. Try. Try. T-R-Y. Hopefully you're doing good. And friends, just by the more you read these words and you write these words, you'll start to memorize in your brain that these have Y's at the end instead of I's. The next one is fry. Sometimes I need to fry some food. Fry. 3 letters still. F-R-I. Fry. Look at that. F-R-Y. Fry. Oh, the next one is shy. Some of you tell me that you are shy, but I don't believe that's true. Still 3 letters. Shy. Shh. Oh, we know that sound. Shh. Shy. Shy. Did you get S-H-Y? Shy. Oh, here's a good one. Spy. Sometimes I need you to use your spy eyes to look for things. Spy. Still 3 letters. A lot of these have 3 letters. Spy. Spy. How did you do? Do we match? S-P-Y. Spy. Okay. And the last one, sky. Today for science, I'm going to, actually not for science, for the read aloud, you're going to have to go look at the sky. Sky. Still 3 letters. Sky. I hear a K in there. Just take your best guess. Is it a C or is it a K? Best guess. Let's see if we match. S-K-Y. Sky. Hopefully we matched, my friends. Those were the 9 words that we would have gone to around our friends and checked off. So if you got all of those right, consider all 9 checked off. Today when you're reading to yourself, look to see if you can find any words that end in Y, because Tricky Y the robber guy has stolen the sounds of I and E. It might be sk-I or it might be sk-E. You'll have to sound it out to see. Good job, my friends. I hope you enjoy the read aloud today. That's coming up next.